look, I normally get the wall units out of the way, then take the tiles off, because I find having your worktop there, the tiles can fall onto the worktop and it's a lot easier to tidy up. So I'll stop at this stage. Obviously I've still got to get all of this off, but I don't want to bore you with all of that, so we're just going to focus on the one side. So yeah, I'll stop at this stage, get all the tiles off, socket fronts. A few of the tiles have actually fallen off already, so hopefully they should come off quite easily. Normally I'd be using my SDS or breaker to get these off, but have a look at this, we've got a right result. That don't happen every day. What a result. Little beauties that you find in British kitchens when they're a little bit wet. Watch this. Little silver worms. See them? So I've just put these two doors down for when I take these tiles off, because we're actually keeping the hob underneath here. I'm going to keep the hob. We're going to be keeping that oven as well. So that's over there, that's going back in obviously the new housing. But yeah, the tiles are all off around here. So I've just got to get these few off here. Okay, there's the wall units all out and all the tiles. Just going to go for the base units now. Okay, kitchen is out. It's just time to have a little look what's behind this bit of boxing in. Now I can see, can you see in there? It's just for the cables and that. So we're going to rip that down, get back to bare wall, go from there. And there you go, that's that one out. Not too bad. The reason that I've left this unit in for now, because this is a water softener that's going back in, and I don't want to drain that down and disconnect it and all that. So when I get the new unit, I'm going to slide it into the unit, take that one out, and then address the plumbing. You might have seen that I had a bit of difficulty with getting this board out. That's because that's actually a live gas pipe. So I didn't want to put too much pressure on it. That's why I put that cut. And then pulled it all out around it. So heating engineers coming to sort that out later. But yeah, I want to thank you for watching this. And if you want to stay up to date with everything, just hit that subscribe button and the like button. And the build will commence.